Good morning to each and every one of you. You're welcome to Sabi Makeup channel. Today I will show now how to make egg custard, and the person wey wan show now how to do this thing na Madam Glory. You're welcome. The thing where they carry do this egg custard na egg. See egg there. You have pepper. You have to chop your pepper this way, and this one na onions. You have salt here, and we have our Maggi. This is plate. This plate has to be the one that has cover. Then you have your groundnut oil here. So you don't start. Make you watch out how you make them. You break your egg and put, as you have seen in this, inside this plate. Now you go remove this thing and put inside the plate, and then you go beat them like this. You go beat them so everything go blend, go dissolve. So when you don't mix your egg to this point where it go be white, the next thing where you go put small milk inside of it. Should not be too much. You put small milk. Still they mix them. Then you go now put small salt. The reason why we dey do this egg custard, we wan show you how to do it. We say no be everybody dey like the fry food, because some the doctor may say make you no eat food wey dey fried. So if you wan eat your bread now, you do this egg custard. Prepare it, carry it or carry the chop your bread. I'll now put the onions here. Put your pepper also. Then put your Maggi. Sugar in this one. Sugar for this egg custard na optional. If you no like put am, you know they compulsory. So you mix them well. After putting everything, mix them well. So it is now ready. We go do another one. I go show you something else. You have to carry a plate where get cover. When you get the plate, see my own plate. I'll now carry small. You know, go put plenty groundnut oil. Na very small way you go put. The reason why I go put small groundnut oil for my plate be say when I put this thing inside, when the thing done, I won't remove am. I go fit remove am quick. So I go rub groundnut oil for inside the plate. You go see my mixture dey ready. I now turn am inside this my plate. I go cover am. The next thing is that I go put am inside a boiling water. This is my boiling water. So this one be my boiling water. You don't just put it like that and cook, or carry put for fry pan dey fry. No, you will not fry. You put am inside what? boiling water. If you can see, my water is boiling. I'll now carry this thing and put inside the boiling water. You have to observe this one. You have to take note of this one where they show you. Don't allow the water to touch the thing where they inside this plate. You must cover it very well. So when I don't put them, as I don't put them now, I will carry this cover, my pot cover, and cover it well. At least I'll wait for the next 10 to 15 minutes. You go check how the egg custard go do. You remove the cover. Use your fork and taste and check whether the thing don strong, like as if you wan do more. So e don dey ready. So the next thing I go do na to bring down my pot from fire. Go now bring my plate out. So this how the egg custard dey. So this is now my egg custard. You fit use am eat bread. You fit eat am like that and drink tea. But if you wan do this one for pikin wey wan start to eat food well well, the thing wey you go do is that you no go put the onions wey dey here and pepper. That one you go put sugar, a little salt, put milk, stir am. But if you wan put onions, you go make the onions very well, cut am very well so that no particle go dey inside. So this is ready. The next thing you go do is you bring it out. So this is how it go be. As you don see am for your eye now, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Make Am.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Make Am, or follow us on our social media platform at Sabi Make Am, or you fit even call us for this number